how to believe in yourself. Today we're talking about something that's at the core of everything you want to achieve. Self-belief. Have you ever struggled with doubt, feeling like you're not good enough, or questioned whether you have what it takes to reach your goals? Let me ask you, what would your life look like if you truly believed in yourself? How much more could you accomplish if you stopped holding yourself back? And how do you actually build that inner belief? If you're ready to break free from self-doubt and start believing in yourself, stick around. I've got 5 powerful steps that will help you create lasting self-belief. And at the end, there's a key truth that will shift the way you see your potential. Let's get into it. Step 1, recognize your accomplishments. The first step in building self-belief is to acknowledge what you've already achieved. It's easy to get caught up in what you haven't done yet, but take a moment to look back at the challenges you've overcome, the skills you've developed, and the successes you've had, even the small ones. Every win, no matter how small, is proof that you have the ability to succeed. As Maya Angelou said, you may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. Your past successes show you have the strength and resilience to achieve even more. Recognize them and let them fuel your confidence. Step 2, reframe negative thoughts. We all have that inner voice that whispers doubts and insecurities, but here's the thing, you don't have to believe everything it says. One key to building self-belief is learning how to reframe your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, reframe it into, I'm learning how to do this. Turn, I'm not good enough, into, I'm growing every day. Remember, as Henry Ford said, whether you can think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Shifting your inner dialogue changes how you feel about yourself, and that's the foundation of self-belief. Step 3, surround yourself with positive influences. You and I are heavily influenced by the people around you. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it can be hard to maintain self-belief. That's why it's so important to surround yourself with positive, encouraging people, friends, family, mentors who uplift and support you. Their belief in you can strengthen your belief in yourself. Jim Rohn famously said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Wow. So take a look at who's in your circle. Are they helping you grow your confidence or holding you back? Choose your influences wisely. Step 4, take action even when you're unsure. Self-belief doesn't magically appear. You build it through action. One of the most powerful ways to create inner belief is to take action even when you're unsure. Just go for it. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, try something new or push yourself to do what feels uncomfortable. You're proving to yourself that you're capable. As Nelson Mandela said, I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Taking action, even with fear, builds the evidence you need to trust yourself. The more you do it, the more your self-belief grows. Step 5, be kind to yourself. Lastly, practice self-compassion. You're going to make mistakes and have setbacks and face challenges, but believing in yourself means being kind to yourself through those moments. Instead of beating yourself up when things don't go as planned, remind yourself that growth is a process and that every setback is just another opportunity to learn. As Kristen Neff says, with self-compassion, we give ourselves the same kindness and care we give to a good friend. If you wouldn't speak harshly to someone you care about, don't do it to yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and you'll find your self-belief strengthens naturally. Alright, now for the big truth I mentioned at the beginning. The truth is, self-belief isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. It's built step by step through recognizing your strengths, reframing your thoughts, surrounding yourself with the right people, taking action and practicing kindness. It's not about being perfect or never doubting yourself. It's about showing up, doing the work and trusting that you are capable no matter what. So, to recap the 5 steps to believing in yourself: 1. Recognize your accomplishments. 2. Reframe negative thoughts. 3. Surround yourself with positive influences. And 4. Take action even when you're unsure. Finally, 5. Be kind to yourself. By following these steps, you'll start to build the kind of self-belief that fuels your success and happiness. You already have what it takes. You just need to unlock it. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, believing in yourself is the first step to achieving anything you want. See you again soon.